All right. This is pre-recorded remote for team 727C. Go ahead.
All right, so sizing inspection. Robot fits within starting size restrictions 18 by 18 by 18. Team ID plates must be installed for sizing inspection.
Okay.
The other side. All right,
Okay.
so check. Overall inspection. Team is only competing with Run Robot. It's that one. They have no spare replacement robots. Multiples of Subsystem 3 is permitted. Yep. Robot displays VEX team identification plates on at least 2 opposing sides with only 1 color visible.
Okay.
Place one there and one on the
Okay.
next to the brain. Robot does not contain any components which will be intentionally detached on the playing field. No. Robot does not contain any components that could entangle or damage the playing field or other robots. No. Robot does not contain any sharp edges or corners. Nope, all the corners are standard.
Okay.
Robot brain power button is accessible without moving or lifting the robot. Turn around right there.
Okay.
Team testifies that designing, building, and programming of the robot was done only by the students on the team. Yes.
We testified.
VEX parts inspection. All robot components are or are identical to official VEX products as sold on vexrobotics.com or materials used as color filters, minimal grease or lubricant, minimal anti-static compound, hot glue for cable connections, unlimited 1/8 inch braided nylon rope, cable protection materials, and tape for connecting and labeling. Yes. Robot does not use VEX products not intended for use as a robot component or any VEX packaging. Yes. All components on the robot not meeting VRC inspection criteria are non-functional decorations. We have none. Any non-shattering plastic on the robot was cut from a single sheet of 0.70 material not larger than 12 by 24. We don't have any. Robot only has one VEX V5 robot brain. Right there.
Right.
Robot utilizes the VEXnet wireless communication system. The receiver's right there. None of the electronics are from the VEXplorer, VEX Pro, VEX RCR, VEX IQ, or VEX Robotics by Hexbug. It is not. Total number of smart motors is not more than 8 without the use of pneumatics or 6 with the use of pneumatics.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Correct. Robot contains no VEX 2 wire motors. It does not. Robot uses only one V5 robot battery L-ion 12 mAh, 1100 mAh.
Yep.
Robot is controlled by no more than 2 V5 controllers. We have one. No VEX electrical components have been modified from the original state. They have not. No method of attachment not provided by the VEX design system is used. No welding, gluing, etc. There are none. Robot uses a maximum of 2 VEX pneumatic or air reservoirs. We don't have any. Robot contains no components obtained from the V5 beta program. Does not. If any custom cables are used, they are made with only official V5 cable stock. No custom cables. Any non-functional decorations do not imitate game or field objects as a distraction for the V5 vision sensor. There are none. Robot brain has the latest firmware listed on VEX V5 firmware. Yep. If vision sensor is used, it is not. It has been calibrated and tested on competition fields. Yep, there's none. Extra signature. Team number signature.
Okay. Circle pass.
Circle pass. You passed.
All right. Please read the code out loud and write it on that white paper.
All right. So, 7A 7 8 am I?
Okay. You may position the robot on the field.
All right. Here. Should I be calling back for this? I got time. All right, I'll watch it. Yeah, time. All right.
Please pair the robot to the control.
Yes.
Gentry, if you don't mind.
Got
I have to show starting position as soon as you're finished.
Are we running the off first?
Running Auton 1. Preload is there. Starting position correct. Okay.
In what? Do you want it run? And then, oh, there's going to be off.
Please show the timer in front. Show that in front here so that you can see. Yeah. Okay. Just be in view. Be in view. Okay.
Okay. Just hit it to enable.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Whenever.
You have to start the code first.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That is all they're doing in autonomous. We can stop the timer. Okay. We will now check the score sheet. This will be programming 1.
Here it is.
Step into the field.
All right.
All right. So effectively, one corner is red owned.
Red.
Okay. All the other corners are blue owned.
Number of balls.
Number of balls has not changed. So that should be 15 blue balls
15.
and 1 red ball.
1 red ball.
Okay. One step closer. I've got to see this. Step closer, please. All right. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. That is autonomous 1. All right. I'm going to ask the team, since you already have accomplished the only autonomous, you will forego autonomous 2 and 3. It's really going to be a repeat. Is that correct? Mm-hmm. Yes. All right. The team will only run 1 autonomous. They will now proceed to driver. So they will reset the robot for driver 1, 2, and 3. All right, Jack, when you drive, yeah, you can stand anywhere you want. I do need that iPad up though with the timer on.
Adam.
Adam,
Yes.
do we put the competition function on driver when we're doing it? I don't know.
You don't need the cursor.
No, I mean, but we run it still, so the competition one time, so okay.
Are you driving?
He's driving.
All right, Jack, you may drive. Let me check the starting position.
Competition.
The preload is on. Starting position is correct.
Driver skills
All
is
the
ready
balls
too.
are in place.
So it's only going to be on for 1 minute, so driver skills is ready.
Driver skills is ready. Okay. You may begin whenever you're ready.
3, 2, 1. Go for that one. Slow. Go. Go to the middle. Turn around. Turn. There you go. Go. Bring the ball down before trying to score. Do you score? Good. Okay, now score. Go down. Score. Okay, switch angles. Turn angle. There you go. Now go in. Go in. Turn angle. Okay, do the foul. It's fine. Switch the angle. You gotta turn it. You gotta turn it more. You have to come at it from this way.
Go for it.
Come at it from this way. Go. Okay, now. There you go. Take that one right there.
Now
Okay, go over there. Just score that one. There you go. Yeah, you can get that. And then go. Score. Go. In. Score. In. Change angle. Change angle.
This is an on-call. If you ordered lunch, please come to the front office.
Okay.
A through Z. Start
Go ahead.
A on the right side.
Let's go in here.
And find your lunch.
All right. So if you orient it in the same angle as there, the first goal in the corner is red owned.
Nice cross center.
Orient it this way. Okay, so you've done that already. So it's oriented this way. Okay, oriented that way. Okay, so red owned.
Red on.
The next one is blue. Oh, so only okay. We'll only count the ones which are red owned. But this is red owned. The one above is blue. The one above is blue. The one in the middle row is blue owned. The one in the middle of the field is red owned. And the one at the far middle is blue. The robot is not touching. It does not matter if it's touching the bottom. The top is a red ball scored. So this is red owned. This one is blue owned. And this one is blue owned. Okay? So this row has 5 blue balls. This is 2 on this, 1 on this, 2 there. In the middle row, we have 6, and then 7. This one's red. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 blue balls, and there's only 3 red scored balls. 1 in the corner, 1 exactly in the middle, and 1 in the far corner. Okay? Closer, please, so I can see them.
Let's try one this time.
Yeah, try one. Yeah, two kind of messed up. You didn't give enough money.
You may reset. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Daniel.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not.
Yeah. Just orient it this way and go from there. Okay. Grab driver 2, please.
Yep.
Setting up for driver 2.
Okay. Checking position for driver 2. There is a preload. Starting position is correct within the first row. Okay?
Okay, I'll tell you.
Whenever you're ready.
3, 2, 1. Alright, score. Score 1. It's okay, yeah.
seconds left.
You got it, you got it. Okay. Stand back up a little, back up. Back up, change the angle. Change the angle. Change the angle. Move that way. Step. Change it there. Come out this side. Over there.
20 seconds
Yeah,
left.
there you go. Now turn and now go. So you have to do that. Okay, right there, right there. There you got it.
10 seconds left.
Go right there, you got it. Go, go, go. As fast as you can. Turn.
Nice.
Don't mind the lineup, just go.
5 seconds left.
Go, 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 go.
3, 2, 1.
That was better. Alright.
Okay.
Remember your lineup.
Time has
You have to
passed.
measure this angle.
We
Okay?
will now check the goals. Once again, starting at this corner. This one is one ball on the top, red ball on the top, red owned in the corner. No change to this one, blue ball owned. No change to this one, blue ball owned. Going to the middle row, no change to this one, blue ball owned. The exact middle, there was a score here. This is red ball owned. This middle bottom is no change here, blue ball owned. In the far corner, we have red ball owned. There was a score here. The left side corner, middle also was a score here. Red ball owned. And finally, no change here, so blue ball owned. All right, in terms of ball, starting on this side, there were no changes of balls in this. So there are 5 on the far left. In the middle, so after 5, this is 6, plus the one on top, 7, 8, 9, at the bottom here, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One, it looks like, yeah, 14 blue balls, and there were 4 red scored balls, 1 here, 1 in the middle, 1 at the far corner, left corner, and 1 in the left middle. That concludes driver 2. Come closer. All right, you may reset. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Thank you.
Other way. Down.
We're setting the robot up in starting position and pairing it right now. This will be the last run. Driver 3, checking starting position. The preload is on. The robot is in legal starting position. All right, you may begin whenever.
3, 2, 1.
There's no reset in this. If there's, since
What the controls are different. You ran the wrong program.
ran the wrong program.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this will be the end of this. We're going to stop the run then. There is no third, there is no fourth one. Okay? All right, we're going to cease the time here. Okay. All right. So give me the score sheet real quick. Since there was no score whatsoever, it remains at 15 balls on the field with no score for red. All blue. Okay. Let's get closer here. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this concludes the trials for Team 727C.